Are you ready to ensure your suppliers meet the highest quality standards? This video outlines a structured approach to supplier auditing for manufacturing organizations guided by ISO 9001:2015. Discover how to enhance quality, process control, and customer satisfaction. Understanding the context of an organization is crucial. Verify if the supplier has identified internal and external issues affecting quality. Check if they regularly review these issues. Confirm the supplier acknowledges stakeholder needs. Ensure the QMS scope is clearly defined and documented. Leadership commitment is key to a successful QMS. Assess how top management communicates the importance of meeting requirements. Evaluate their process for managing risks and opportunities. Check for measurable quality objectives. Ensure these align with the business strategy. Support resources are the foundation of quality. Verify adequate infrastructure for quality production. Assess if employees receive relevant training. Ensure communication channels are effective. Evaluate competence in personnel roles. Operational controls ensure consistent quality. Check documented procedures for manufacturing and delivery. Evaluate processes for managing external providers. Verify systems for product tracing and nonconformity control. Ensure production follows quality standards. Performance evaluation is vital for quality management. Verify processes to monitor and measure product quality. Check if internal audits are conducted regularly. Evaluate customer satisfaction measurement systems. Ensure management reviews performance data. Continuous improvement drives quality enhancements. Verify processes for identifying improvement opportunities. Assess implementation of corrective actions. Evaluate methods for measuring improvement impacts. Ensure suppliers use data-driven insights. Auditor simplifies ISO 9001:2015 audits. Create or use existing templates for supplier audits. Add response options for comprehensive data capture. Assign scores to prioritize critical areas. Use mobile functionality for real-time monitoring. Through structured auditing, suppliers align with quality standards. ISO 9001:2015 guides this process, enhancing quality and reducing risks. Now you can ensure your suppliers meet the highest standards in manufacturing.